www.gibsonTruckworld. Calm 2006 Ford F-150 XLT leather crew cab monster 4-wheel drive riding on a 6-inch lift kit with a nice set of 37-inch tires, 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, leather seating, CD player, keyless entry, alarm, power door locks, power mirrors, power windows, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. Gibson Truck World, not your average pickup line. We are the king of trucks. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better truck for less. Repair description: 10-mile road test, 135-point inspection, lube, oil filter, mounted balance, 2 new tires,